Aloha, everybody. This is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is a video that has to do with limit, and we are looking at the limit that are involving this pink elephant here. Okay, so the limit as h go to 0 of sine h over h is 1. Okay, so let's remind ourselves that. Okay, h being just any quantity there, right? So this right here, as long as this is the same as that, and that is going to 0, then the limit is 1. Okay? Now, when you're looking at this, you're like, well, but I have tangent, and it's tangent of 3x. Well, how are we going to deal with that? We know tangent is sine over cosine, right? So this right here is going to equal to tangent is going to be sine over cosine. X goes to 0 of, on the denominator, you still have sine of 5x. On the numerator, you'll have sine of 3x divided by cosine of 3x, because that's what tangent is. That is going to equal to limit as x goes to 0 of division means multiply by the reciprocal, right? Or we can say when x is approaching 0, cosine of 3x would be cosine of 0, which is 1. So really, we are looking at sine of 3x over sine of 5x. And you say, wait a minute, it is supposed to be sine of something over itself. So if you see sine of 3x, you might want 3x on the denominator. And then if you see sine of 5x, then you're going to want 5x on the denominator. So this is going to equal to, let's say, limit as x goes to 0 of sine of 3x. When I see sine of 3x, I'm going to want 3x down here. You say, well, wait a minute. It wasn't there in the first place. How can we put it there? Well, put it there legally. What does that mean, legally put it there? If you put 3x down on the denominator, that's division. Then you would have to go and multiply by 3x on the top, because 3x divided by 3x is 1, right? So you really haven't changed the value at all. The same thing would apply down here on the denominator. You have sine of 5x. Well, when I have sine of 5x, I'm going to want to see 5x down here. Well, I can't just put 5x down there. I have to multiply by 5x on the numerator. Because that is multiplying by 1, and that's okay. Now, we need to check whether that thing is approaching 0. Well, when x is approaching 0, 3x will also be approaching 0. And so does 5x. So that satisfies the pink elephant. Meaning now, this is going to be 1, and this is going to be 1. And then x divided by x is going to be 1. So what you really have is just 3 over 5. And that is the limit of tangent 3x divided by sine 3x. 3 over 5. That is it. So remember that pink elephant? Limit as h go to 0 of sine h over h is 1.